On the evening of June 15th, 2025, officers in Crystal Lake, Illinois responded to a 911 call placed from inside a home, reportedly by one of the children living there. What followed was nearly 20 minutes of a woman standing in her own doorway insisting officers had no right to be anywhere near her house, even as the reason they were there kept getting harder to ignore. I know asking for a like in every video gets old, but it costs you nothing and means a lot on our end, so thank you if you do.
Can you come out? Because he's not. I didn't let you guys in. Why are you guys in my house?
There's a 911.
No, there isn't. Did you call 911? So neither did I.
This can be.
Can you guys come out of my house or not?
My Jordan's trying to talk
Exactly.
to you.
Can you come out of my house or not?
Miss.
Okay. Yes, I will come out with you. I will. All three of us can come out with you.
This can all be resolved with the
Exactly. Then let's go outside. But you guys are not allowed in my house. Let's go.
Grab him and come outside.
Because he knows the law. So can we come outside or not? Let's go.
Let's go.
Because we know the law. Exactly. Let's go. Don't talk to my kids, you f***ing retard.
They talk?
Yeah, because they're underage, you moron. So go outside. Exactly. Go outside.
Go ahead.
No, I will go after you because I'm gonna go because you know I'm not stupid.
Go ahead.
Let's go. You know the law. Don't. Because I didn't let you in my house. The door was open, but I didn't let you in my house.
Miss.
My sergeant's trying
Yes,
to talk
come
to you.
outside of my house because I
sergeant's
didn't
trying to talk
let
to
you
you.
in. I know. He knows the law. I didn't let him in my house. Come outside my house, Diaz.
Can we stop yelling?
No, I'm not gonna stop yelling because I didn't let Diaz inside of my house. And I know all three of your cameras are on, and I didn't let Diaz inside my house.
That's fine.
So can you tell him to come out?
911
I will
said.
step out with him. Can you tell him?
No.
Yes, because that's the law. Yes or no? Step outside my house because I didn't let you in, and you don't have permission to be in my house.
We need to
I've
make
been
sure
through
everything
this.
is
I
okay.
have been through this.
Okay, well, the
Step
yelling
outside
isn't
my
gonna help.
house. This guy came in my house without me letting him in.
Okay, we're
I know you
past
guys
that,
know
okay?
the rules.
911 call.
Okay.
Hang
Okay.
up.
Who was the
Kids
who was the
call.
911 call from? Who?
It was a
Say
hang
the
up.
name.
I don't have a name.
Okay. Well then, fucking call your dispatch and call and ask for her name, please.
He just told you. One of your kids called.
My kids? They don't have a phone. What's the name?
I didn't get the
Okay.
name.
So can you please call your dispatch and ask for their name? Because I know you guys do that. I'm not new to this. I'm not. So can you please call your dispatch and ask for a name?
Why
Can
are
you
getting
call
so...
dispatch and ask for a
What's your
name?
name? I just got here. What's your name?
Yeah, I don't need to talk to you. Can you ask dispatch and ask
He's
for a
doing
name?
it
I'm not
right
trying to be
now.
rude,
I know,
but it's like I know. I mean, I look young, but I'm not. So can you ask what the name is? No,
sergeant's
because
doing
Diaz
it.
inside and I didn't let him
Our-
in. I didn't let him in. I didn't let him in. Right? He
Can you
can't be
just
in.
run us
I know
through
he
your
can't
search
be
on
in.
the phone number?
You guys get out.
Oh, okay.
Go over there.
You said mommy was
Because
hitting dad?
You guys are calling the police on.
He doesn't want to talk.
Exactly, he
That's what
doesn't
she's saying.
come out because I didn't let you in, Diaz. I didn't. You just barged in. I didn't let you in. Can you get out?
Well, the door was open.
I'm
I
going
announced
to
myself.
tell you to please get out of my house.
No, my boss already told you that I wasn't.
But why are you being hostile
Because
with
I
her?
didn't let you in and I know the fucking law. So it's time to step the fuck out.
Listen, just try
Because
to
the number came from my
just
phone.
try to reason with
Oh
us
my
for
god, I'm not
1
reasoning
second.
with you. Get out!
Be rational,
Get out!
be rational in front
Get
of your
out!
children.
Get out! Get out! I'm not. My kids
Be
are fine.
rational
Get
in
out!
front of your
Get out!
children
Get
real
out!
fast.
Get out! Get out! Get out!
What?
Get out! Because I know the law, dude. I know.
Just what happened, and we're gonna get out of here.
Get out. You gotta get out. That's it.
What
That's the
happened?
law. You gotta get out. That's it. Yes, you gotta get out. That's it. That's it. That's it. You wanna ask? You gotta go. You gotta go. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
Can I talk?
Nope. You gotta go. You gotta go.
Congratulations.
That's why I live here. Okay. Congratulations to you, buddy. You gotta go.
Okay.
Yep. You did it. You gotta get out.
Why are your kids saying that you're hitting dad?
Because okay.
Your
So,
kid just looked at me and he pointed at you and he did this. Why?
okay. So you wanna ask him? You moron. You gotta go. You gotta go, Diaz. You know the law, dude. I will get you fired. You gotta go.
That's fine. I already told you.
Okay,
You can
gotta
sue
go.
me later. You can
All right,
fire
fine.
me.
You
That's
gotta go
fine.
right
yeah.
now. I will come out with you and I will talk to you. But you gotta
Okay.
go.
I have
Let's
to
go
sit
then.
here. Okay. Let's
Then
go.
let's go. You gotta step out of my house because I didn't let you in.
No, I can't.
Yes, 100% you did.
No.
Because I didn't let you in my house, so you gotta go. Please step out. I'm not gonna touch you because you guys played this. Oh, you fucking touched me. I'm gonna fucking arrest you. You gotta
Yep.
go.
You already
Exactly.
remember. You already touched me. Yep.
No,
so
I
I told
didn't.
you.
So
Yeah, you did.
gotta go.
Over
No,
here.
you didn't. So play it back. You gotta go.
Okay.
Can you take your officer with you? I will come out with you guys because I didn't let him in.
He can make his own decision. I'm not gonna touch.
Yeah,
my,
but he's
I'm not
gotta
gonna
go
touch my
because
officer.
he's waiting for me to touch him, and he's a f***ing moron. So
No,
you guys
he
gotta
didn't
go.
touch me.
Okay.
Wait,
Well, all right.
regardless.
Fine.
Oh, I'm not leaving him in here alone. All right.
Then you can
No,
stay in
you're
here.
not
Yep,
doing
yep,
that.
yeah. You
No,
can, yeah, this
I'm
is my
gonna
house.
place you under
This is
arrest.
my house,
I will
and I
give
can
you
no.
one last
No,
warning.
because this is my house.
I
I know
will
the law.
place you
I know
under
the
arrest.
law.
You're gonna be under arrest.
Okay, so
right.
okay, but I can't let you guys in, right? Exactly.
You're close to getting a battery on me there.
Oh
Now
my
stop it.
God, you guys are so
Stop it.
stupid.
Stop.
Because I know the law.
Battery on me.
Call the judge right now.
I was about to kick over the door.
Huh?
I was about to kick over the door.
Yeah.
And they're gonna take me out.
Your door's open. I ask Crystal Lake Police what's going on. She's banging on the door. I can hear from all the way from the street. And then I get in here, and then she's like, "Oh, I will talk to you." And I said, and now they're all in the room.
That's fine. Well,
So
And then she touched me. I said, if you touch me again, I'm going to arrest you.
when she tried shutting the door on me, I don't know how we want to be on this, but got me the wrist when I tried to not let her shut the door. What did you do? What'd she do when you tried to reopen the door?
She was trying to keep it locked, and I said, if you keep interfering, I'm going to arrest you, place you on arrest.
Did she touch you during this?
Yeah, she was scratching my whole hand. It hurts. I'm not even lying. Like her nails. I mean, I don't know if it's red or anything, but she has all these prosthetic nails. I mean, look right here, right here. Yeah. Look, you can see it right here. I mean, I'm not. Look, you can see she was scratching me.
okay,
I'm good for 83.
go ahead for 2 Sam 1.
Crystal Lake Police. No, they're all in here.
Hey, what was your name again? You don't open the door, we're going to kick down the door. You got 5 seconds, or we're going to force our way in that door.
1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. She's
Okay,
coming.
you're coming with me. You're under arrest
Why?
because
No,
you
I'm
scratched me.
not.
Yes, you are.
No,
You're under
I'm
arrest.
not.
If you resist, you'll
I'm
get
not
another
under
charge.
arrest. No, I'm not.
If you resist, you're gonna get another charge.
You're under arrest. You're under
You're under
arrest.
arrest.
Get up.
Because
Get
No,
up.
I'm not. No, I'm not.
Bring her up. Bring her
get
up.
up.
Why am I under arrest?
Get away from the children. Put your hands behind
Why
your
am
Put your
I
hands
under
behind your
arrest?
back.
Why?
Here,
Tell me
grab
why.
this hand.
Tell me why.
Grab this hand.
Tell me why. I don't
We'll
have
place this
clothes
right here.
on.
There you do, please.
What? What police officer?
Get another charge for
What
You're
police officer? Wait, can I get some clothes on, please?
No.
Please. I don't have clothes on.
Back.
I don't.
Put
I
your
don't
hands
have-
behind your
I
back, or
didn't-
you're gonna go to the ground. Yep.
But I didn't. Can I get some clothes on?
Nope.
You
We're
guys
past
did-
it.
You guys
We're
did it
past
on
that.
purpose.
We're past that point.
See,
right now.
I'm still 2. Can you mark 83
We're past that
55?
point. Close.
All right.
Past that point.
Okay, so then tell him. I'm gonna stand right here. Like still, literally.
Good?
Yeah, I got it.
Literally, I'm gonna stand right here. Can you tell him to get me clothes?
Yes. All right, let me adjust these so they don't close up.
What's your name?
You're under arrest now.
What
so
is
you
your
need
name?
Otherwise, you have to go to county.
Yeah.
Okay, well, can you guys get me clothes and then I'll tell
Otherwise,
you
we're
my
going to give you
name?
no instructions.
I literally don't have
Yeah.
clothes on.
We're going to get you clothes. What's
Can
your
you tell me
name?
to get me clothes and I'll tell you my clothes?
He's working on it.
Because why are you guys arresting me? I didn't call you guys.
Listen. I
Do you guys see my face or not? Do you
Listen,
guys-
listen. You should at least work
Yeah,
with
because
us.
this guy came in like, oh,
Listen,
100%. I didn't let him in.
He's not letting you go.
I didn't let him in with
He's not letting
permission.
you go.
I didn't.
Have you ever heard of called exigent circumstance? A crime is being committed.
Okay,
therefore,
so
that
then you
allows
guys
Officer
came in.
Diaz
Said what?
that you got into a bad with your
Okay,
husband.
do you see
now
a battery?
We don't know that.
Okay,
So
can you call him
investigate
over here?
Because if you hit him,
Okay, so
you
then,
wouldn't
all
have
right, can
us.
I sit there and you guys call him out here and then ask
We're
him?
past that point right now.
No, we're not, because you guys are just, no,
We
you're
are
not,
past
because
that
I didn't
point.
let him in. Can
You're
you let
past
me go? I'm
that
not
point.
going anywhere.
No, the way
You're
you're
under
acting,
arrest
let
for
you go.
aggravated
Okay, but I'm not
You
going
touched me,
anywhere.
Scratch me. I'm
I didn't scratch you, you fucking
To the
moron.
car and pre-close out
Okay.
to the station.
Awesome.
Can you guys?
To the car.
Oh my
To the car. To the car. Stand back. Stand back. Stand back. Stand back. Stand back. Stand back.
I don't
Or
have
you'll be
clothes
arrested for
on.
trespass.
Oh my god.
Stand back.
Yeah, I don't
Stand
have
back.
clothes on.
Stand back.
I don't have clothes on.
Stand. Ready?
I'm not. I don't have clothes on.
car.
Oh my god. What? I don't have clothes on, please.
Over here. Okay.
I literally
Is that your car?
I don't know whose car this is.
literally-
This is mine.
Other side. Come on.
I don't
side.
have
Come with
any
us.
clothes on.
Come with us. Get your clothes fit the police
Oh my
station. You got
god.
it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Is it clear?
This can't be happening to me.
Okay. Have a seat in the car.
Get in the
Oh my
car.
God.
Get in the
Get in the car.
car.
No.
Get in the vehicle or we're going to place you in the vehicle. Get inside the
What,
vehicle.
can I
Get
just
inside the
be there
car.
For like a second, please, because I've
5 seconds.
I've never.
Listen,
I've never
listen.
hold
You,
on,
you
I
have
know.
you have to calm down
I
and
know,
breathe.
but I look.
Listen, just stop
Hello,
talking.
listen,
No,
I've never been
just
arrested. Please
stop.
Give me a breather.
Just stop talking
I know.
and breathe.
Hold on.
Stop
I know,
talking.
I'm
I'm trying
breathing.
to. You need to stop talking and
Yeah.
breathe. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. Yes.
I know you guys can
Listen,
see that, please.
just stop talking and you can breathe. You're not allowing yourself to do
No,
that.
but
Stop
he's
talking.
holding me really tight.
Because
Can you just hold me?
Because you're
Yes,
falling.
Can you
You're
let
falling.
It? No, look, I'm standing.
Okay, well, we don't. You're under
no,
our
just
custody.
you.
We can't
Just,
let go.
I know, I'm not gonna
Here,
let
do
go.
you ever? I have.
Can
Okay.
you
Yes.
let go?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you just give me a breather for like a second? I'm not gonna move. I promise.
I can't let go of you.
I know. No. But
Just
him,
take a breath. He did. He let you go.
I
He
know,
let you
I
go.
know. I felt that.
Okay. What's your name? So we can go on a first name basis.
Karen.
Karen. You're very uncooperative from the beginning.
Well, I know
Just
because I didn't
just
call
let me.
you.
I know, but just let me talk. Let me finish. I know it has to suck to be in a. You're on your block here. You have a. You guys run the business together. Okay. You've been. It's not something you want your kids to see. You have to get through this, okay? It takes time.
You can literally ask them if I've
I understand
ever
you guys
been
probably
violent with them or him.
You guys probably
can
been
go
drinking.
ask them.
I know.
Go ask them.
You guys probably
They're
been
not gonna lie. They're kids.
I know. You guys have probably been drinking a little bit today, so that kind of gets mixed emotions and those things all running. You know what I mean?
We worked so hard, like one day, Father's Day, we can't enjoy.
I know. I understand. And that's what happens when alcohol's involved.
Can you go ask my kids if this has ever happened before?
And we will. We're going to, okay? Let's have a seat now, okay, Karen?
I mean, am I not going to get bailed out today?
No, you're not. You have to have a seat, okay?
Can you guys just dress me right here? I won't.
No, we can't. We're gonna have a female officer. No,
I literally don't have underwear.
We're
Just
gonna
underwear,
listen.
please.
We're gonna have a female deputy come to the station to get you
She
dressed.
can get me dressed.
We can't. We're on the street. We can't. It has to be done in privacy. It can't. The fact that you're almost half
No, but
naked right now.
I literally approve for her to get me dressed.
I can't. You have to do it at the police station. Police station's right down the street. Okay. Just have a seat. Just sit on your robe. Okay. All right. You okay? You in? Watch yourself, okay? I'm just gonna pull the strap on.
So I ain't bailed out today.
No, there's no bail anymore. Good to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. You want to grab her clothes? And...
Yeah. It's up here, or was it?
She's in your front seat, yeah.
Oh, okay. I got it.
This is Officer Perez. She's gonna help you get dressed and everything, okay? So when we have a female come in, we need a female to search a female, and we have a male come in, we need a male to search a male. But since obviously you're kind of half naked, she has to help you, okay? Come on out. Come on out.
No,
What do you mean no?
I don't want to come out.
You have to.
No. Can they do a pregnancy test?
How will we do a pregnancy
Okay, then
test?
tell her to do one.
She can't do a. Come on, Karen.
Okay,
I thought we
okay.
were cool.
No, I mean we are, but I can do one and then prove you guys wrong.
Well, I don't know where pregnancy came from. What is
Okay.
it? Where did pregnancy come from?
So then tell her to do one.
She can't do one. She's not
Yeah,
a
she
doctor. Can you do a pregnancy test? No.
I don't have one.
Yeah, we don't have one.
Well, you guys can request one.
Well, you being pregnant has nothing to do right now.
Yeah, because you guys think I'm intoxicated. So tell her to do a pregnancy test, and then
can
that'll
smell
lower
the-
my sentence. So tell her to do one, and then you know what? I'll do a blow test.
I
Do
can
one.
smell the booze coming off.
Okay,
you.
so then do one.
I don't have a pregnancy test.
Okay, no, I'm saying like a blow test
You want to for what?
because you guys think I'm intoxicated.
I didn't say you're intoxicated. I just said I
Okay.
smell alcohol on you.
Yeah, because everybody else
Yeah,
was
we're
drinking around me.
we're not charging you with any type of alcohol.
You guys said I'm intoxicated. You're intoxicated.
No, we said we're not charging you with a DUI or anything alcohol related.
Yeah,
You're not being
because I'm not
charged.
driving.
Yes, I said we're not.
Okay, so then what am I being charged with?
You're being charged.
Arguing with my husband at home?
You're being charged with aggravated battery to a police officer.
Okay, well then, exactly,
On a
because we
police
have a
officer.
ring
It
camera.
was inside the door, so it would have caught your ring camera. It was inside the
No,
house.
we have a ring camera. I can show you.
It was inside the house.
Okay,
I was
I have
inside-
a ring camera.
Karen, we were just cool 5 minutes ago.
No, we weren't because you guys are bullshitters.
Okay, we have to get out of the car, please. Okay. I will look for pregnancy tests inside, but you have to go inside first.
No,
County, they can give you a pregnancy test. We don't. I'll go look for one once we get you inside. Okay.
yeah,
We were
well,
really
wait
cool
right here
5
then.
minutes ago.
No, we weren't.
Okay.
Karen, you can't do this from the car.
Yeah. How you got? You can't pee right here. You got to pee in a bathroom. Because you pee right here.
Okay, why does it matter if I pee if you say you're not charging me with alcohol?
You wanted a pregnancy test for
Yeah,
some
because
reason.
you guys are like, oh, you're drunk and there's been alcohol. No, there hasn't been alcohol. Maybe
Okay,
on my husband's
so-
part, but not mine.
So you're not being charged alcohol related.
Okay, but I never touched his wrist. So then my ring camera doesn't matter?
Because your ring camera's outside, we're inside. Oh.
Yeah, no. The ring camera's inside in my living room.
Okay, then I'm at the court. So we need you to step out of the car.
No.
please. I need you to step out of the car.
Well, can she cover me? Because I'm not even covered.
You have to go inside.
Can she cover me
Okay,
so that I can step out?
Can she get you out of the car?
Yeah, good. Well, can she cover me and then
I
I
don't-
come out?
Yeah, do you have a blanket or something, like a towel?
She's out of the car.
I just covered her.
Walk the officers up this thing.
I don't want Officer Diaz in here.
So
No, I don't want him in here, and I know I have
So
the right.
there's-
That I don't feel
there's
safe.
another door-
No, I don't want him in here. I know I have that right. I know, 100%.
He has to walk.
I
through
don't
here
want
to
him
go-
in here because I don't feel safe with him. I don't.
I understand that. He's
I don't
running
feel
through
safe
the
with
door.
him.
Dude,
I
you
don't
go down
feel
there.
safe with
No, you
him.
can just
No,
go with me and
nope. I want him out.
He is leaving.
I want him out.
There's another door in there.
No.
That's where he's going.
No, I want him out. I don't want him in the same room as me.
you can take a look and see. He's
He's not
going
gonna
up.
be
There's
in this
another
room.
double door. So
He goes to the
He's
other
gonna go
side
to the
of
other
the
part of
building.
the building.
Let me shut this so you can leave. He is not back here. Hold on for a second.
Do you have anything?
Let me get you a blanket
Okay.
just for Grant's case
Yeah.
for okay?
Thanks. Do you have anything on you?
So just so you know, there's nobody back here.
Clear.
There's no other prisoners. Nobody else
Go
visiting
back.
officer-wise, so it's
Okay.
only the four of us back here, okay?
I'm just gonna give you a quick background.
Here, I'll hold this thing.
Thank you. Can you lift your feet up just to the bottom? The other one? She doesn't have any jewelry.
Okay. Okay.
Can I get pants?
Yeah, we have your pants.
You wanna go in here, just the two of you? We'll leave the door open, but we'll stand over here.
Okay.
And then you
Yeah.
can help get her dressed.
All right.
What's your star number?
4720.
4720. Perez. Okay, Karen?
Yeah.
Do you have to use the bathroom or anything like that?
No.
Okay, do you need toilet paper? If you need to go to the bathroom, we'll give you some toilet paper, okay? If you need to go to the bathroom, let me know, I'll get you toilet paper, okay?
Karen was arrested and charged with aggravated battery to a peace officer.
From the first seconds on scene, the tone is set. She's not asking what's going on. She's ordering officers out, counting to 3 like she's addressing a child who's misbehaving, not a police officer investigating a domestic call. It's a strange thing to watch, because the entire premise of the count, that if she just repeats it forcefully enough the situation resolves itself, is the same dynamic she's apparently used on people inside that house who had no way to just walk out the door. Somewhere in the middle of all this, one of the children actually speaks directly to an officer, and it's a genuinely striking contrast. When an officer asks if he's the one who called, he answers plainly that he is, and explains he's underage without hesitation or panic. For a few seconds, the most composed person on that entire porch is a child. Meanwhile, the adult standing a few feet away is threatening to sue, threatening to get an officer fired, and telling him he can do that later, almost as an afterthought, in between demands to leave. Her core argument, repeated more times than is easy to count, is that the door was open, but she never gave anyone permission to come in, and that she knows the law well enough to know that matters. What she doesn't seem to know, or doesn't want to know, is that permission isn't actually the standard here. When officers are responding to a report of an active domestic incident with children in the home, the law generally allows entry without express consent under what's called exigent circumstances, meaning a real, immediate concern for someone's safety inside can override the usual requirement to be invited in. This isn't a rule invented on the spot for this call. It's the same doctrine that lets officers enter a house without a warrant if they can hear a fight in progress, or if a caller reports someone is being hurt right now rather than at some point in the past. A closed door being unlocked, or an open one, was never actually the deciding factor here, and no amount of repeating the word law changes what the law in this specific situation actually allows. She says, "I know the law," close to a dozen times in this video. It's the one part of the law she has backwards. There's a moment early on that deserves its own attention, separate from everything else happening in the video. An officer, trying to explain why they're there, tells her plainly that one of her kids called it in. It's said almost in passing, but it's worth pausing on, because confirming a child's identity as the reporting party to the parent they just called police on is generally something officers are trained not to do, precisely because of what it risks. A child who reports a parent for hitting someone else in the house is already taking a real risk by picking up the phone. Naming that child to the parent afterward removes the one layer of protection that made the call possible in the first place, and makes it that much less likely the next call ever gets made. The actual domestic incident itself stays mostly unconfirmed throughout the video. According to what officers relay, one or more of the children said their mother had been hitting their father, and that's serious enough on its own to justify officers needing to see both adults and assess the situation directly. But it's also worth being precise about what this video does and doesn't show. Nobody on camera witnesses that alleged incident happen. What officers do witness, directly, is everything that unfolds once they're standing at that door. That distinction ends up mattering a lot, because the incident that actually becomes a criminal charge isn't the one the child called about. It's what happens a few minutes later, when she tries to shut the door on an officer who's telling her not to, and scratches his hand hard enough to draw a visible mark. That's the moment the situation shifts from a tense standoff into an arrest. Everything before it is argument. That one action is evidence. Once she won't open the door and officers have already established a lawful basis to be there, they give her a 5-second warning and force entry. It plays out fast on camera, but it isn't really a sudden decision. It's the endpoint of several minutes where she's already been told, repeatedly, what the legal basis for the stop is, and has spent that entire time arguing a theory of consent that was never actually the deciding factor. At one point during the doorway struggle, she accuses the officer of touching her first, and threatens to have him arrested for it. He responds calmly that the interaction is fully recorded and invites her to review it, since his account is that he never touched her at all until the scratch happened. It's a small exchange, but it says something about how differently the two of them are approaching this. He's pointing at a camera. She's making an accusation she can't actually back up once footage is on the table. She also brings up a Ring camera more than once, first insisting it would prove officers came into her house without permission. Then, once it's pointed out the camera was mounted inside her own living room rather than outside, effectively confirming officers actually stepping into the interior. It's the kind of detail someone reaches for assuming it will help, without fully thinking through what it would actually show. After the arrest, one of the officers actually shifts into a noticeably different register, using her first name, acknowledging out loud that this can't be an easy thing for her kids to witness, and telling her more than once that they'd been getting along fine just minutes earlier. It doesn't fully land. She swings between accepting the moment of calm and immediately snapping back into hostility, telling him at one point that they were never actually cool at all. But it's worth noting the attempt was there, repeated, patient, and not something officers were required to offer once she was already in custody. After the arrest, the conversation takes a strange turn that's worth including because of how much it reveals about someone trying to find any angle available in real time. She asks officers to administer a pregnancy test, apparently believing it might reduce whatever charge she's facing, then pivots to asking for a breathalyzer to prove she hadn't been drinking, despite officers never having said alcohol was part of the charge at all. Neither request tracks with what she's actually being arrested for. It reads less like a strategy and more like someone reaching for anything that sounds official, hoping something sticks. To their credit, officers handle the more difficult logistics of this arrest with some real care. She's only wearing a bathrobe when she's taken into custody, and rather than rush that part of the process, officers retrieve actual clothing from her husband, wait for a female officer to help her get dressed in private, and walk her through each step of that process directly. It's a small thing next to everything else in this video, but it's a genuine example of officers slowing down for basic dignity in a situation that had given them very little reason to. According to the case information, she was ultimately charged with aggravated battery to a peace officer. That charge is tied specifically to the scratch on the officer's hand during the doorway struggle, not to the alleged incident with her husband that prompted the call in the first place. As with any charge, this reflects what was filed that night, not a conviction, and whatever happened earlier in that house between the two adults remains a separate matter from what plays out here on camera. By the end of this video, two very different kinds of certainty are sitting next to each other. She spent nearly the entire encounter insisting she understood the law better than the officer standing in front of her, and the one legal principle actually at the center of this stop, exigent circumstances, is the one she had wrong the whole time. Meanwhile, the one moment that might have mattered most for a frightened child's safety, keeping their identity out of the conversation entirely, is the one moment the people who were supposed to know better didn't. Neither mistake cancels the other out. They just both happened in the same 20 minutes in front of the same kids.